Today we're going to be working on shapes with Janome's Artistic Digitizing software. First things first, you can select which hoop you have. You can select your type of machine, and then you can pick your specific hoop that you have for your machine. You do not have to have a Janome machine to use this software. It works for everything. Okay, we're starting off with the rectangle tool, so I'm going to make some squares. You just drag and drop. If you want to change your dimensions on your square or rectangle, you can just do the width and the height in the top. You can also basically gauge it by the grid lines. These are 1 by 1 square, so it's really easy to see how big you're making it. Okay, let's start with a square. Okay, I'm making this 2 by 2, and then I'm going to click on Edit Nodes and show you probably the best part. You can drag the corner and make it rounded, and then you can drag the other corner and make it either tall or wide. This I think is probably the most useful for me because you can make a really easy patch like this. Here I'm going to add some text with the text tool. You can also resize that text if you'd like, but what I'm basically showing you is how to use the rectangle tool to make the back of a patch. And if you'd like to see a full tutorial on how to make the patch with the outline stitch, comment patch. If you highlight the whole thing, you can change the dimensions with the panel on the top. That's how easy it is to use Janome's Artistic Digitizing software.